Hi guys, so welcome to my new apartment. I'm officially moving into this apartment. It's my little studio, so I love it so much. As you can see, it has a lot of closet space over here. I love that there's dividers as well because my previous one didn't have that. I love that. I'm going to be mounting my TV over here once I get a new TV. Because, yeah. And then I have a huge little desk. Because I work from home, I think this is going to be really, really nice. And I really appreciate this little table. I'm just going to put my chair over here, my laptop and everything. Then my fridge is going to fit in right over here. And then this is the stove that we have. It's touchscreen, baby! Touchscreen, darling! So, I think this is how I think that is. This is how you do it.
Plus outfit.
Okay. So, I love this so much. It's really getting hot. Steaming hot, as you can see with the change of colors. Love that. And then you switch it off one. Okay, cool. And it even has a lock. That's so cool. Then we have an oven. Oh guys, I didn't have an oven previously. And guys, I love the fact that we have our own oven. I'm gonna be baking a lot. I didn't have this in my previous apartment, so I'm so happy about that. And we have a single sink. And we're gonna put our brooms and stuff, and yeah. And then this is my little bathroom where I can put some stuff here. Maybe I'm gonna put my toilet papers and maybe some like towels or whatever, or lady stuff, I don't know. And this is my toilet. I'm gonna be hanging my towels over here as well. I have a cutesy little mirror, really cute. And then my favorite part is the shower. This is the shower. This is my shower. I literally can fit in. I love that it's matte black. It looks so flat. Stunning. It's quite dark, but I really like it. So yeah.
Try to end it, but I cannot decide. But I won't know if I'm losing cause I didn't try. I don't even know what I'm even waiting for. Could it be love? Could it be drugs? Could it be my feelings? Cause I'm always wanting more. You don't even know how I'm living now.
So guys, that was my little apartment tour. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll be decorating my place from scratch. Well, not from scratch, but I still have a few furniture. But I really want to spice up my apartment this year. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe for more.